Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So Goldye took his second trip to come out and see us for an audio upgrade. So the first time he rode 12 hours from Illinois to New Jersey to our New Jersey location for us to do a stage 3 high power. So we did 1600.1, 800.4 in the fairing, then a set of 8s in the bags. He was getting the bike repainted, getting some performance work done, so the bike was apart all winter. So then he decided when he put it back together, he wanted to go with a new set of bags and he wanted to upgrade the 10s. So this time he took the 18-hour trip from Illinois to Daytona, Florida. Hung out with him for a couple of days, put the bike together for him, and its bike sounded really good the first time. It sounds even better now. So the 10s, NVS Audio 10s, sealed and imported in the bags, Cicada CHX 5 1/4 in the lids, and Cicada CH in the fairing and the lowers, 3000.1 in the tour pack. Bike sounded good before, bike sounds great now. He's got the Soundstream V2 radio. He loves the way it sounds, we love the way it sounds. Check out the build.
Que soy un payaso, que le doy de todo, que estoy atrapado y que ya ha cambiado mi forma de ser. Dices que te arrepentiste, que ya lo pensaste, que no eres la misma que sin mí lloraste y que aún mereces.
Niggas trying to see Compton. The industry can hate me. Fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body. I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas.
that Mustang or that sea green Mustang. Her ass off that old fast her man bone. How much your plane cost? Look like it just got rained on. Tell me this, when you stop, you real stop, they keep going. Your niece on, your knee on, your old man Caprice on. You finna take off them 20s and put them big 23s on. Watching the latest DVDs with the TVs on. It's hot AC and winter can turn your heat on. You hear them loud pipes as soon as you put your feet on. Bicycles, motorbikes, whatever you want the street on. Ride.
My bitch a prince of cut, little demon in the cut. No raiding at the church. You moving wrong, we clutch. You slime, we sharing sluts. My twin is only us. Go platinum, fuck a budget. Little demon in the cut. No raiding at the church. You moving wrong, we clutch. You slime, we sharing sluts. Real rap, I'm trapping bags. Real ice on both my sleeves. The numbers on the bells. They don't think you said it. Where we going? Ferrari truck, the new one. Just shit from overseas. Right down to change the corner. Right now we chasing pockets. Loaded, hell and dirty red. That shit that made me. Who's cutting that shit? Who's cutting that shit? Who's cutting that shit? Who's cutting that shit? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's cutting that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ebony? Was it Danny? Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny?
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. This is Goldie's second trip to NBS Audio. The first one was 12 hours from Indiana to New Jersey. This time was 18 hours from Indiana to Daytona, Florida. Was it completely worth the trip?
Hell yeah. And it wasn't even over a year before I came back. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself.
Nice.